How to install the Navruf GPS Manual 7 inches. To install the Navruf GPS Manual 7 inches, follow these steps. 1. Unbox the Navruf GPS device and ensure that all the necessary components are included, such as the GPS unit, car mount, power cable, and user manual. 2. Locate the car mount provided in the package. Attach it securely to your car's windshield or dashboard according to the instructions provided in the user manual. 3. Connect the power cable to the GPS unit and the car's power outlet, cigarette lighter socket. 4. Power on the Navruf GPS device by pressing the power button, usually located on the side or top of the unit. 5. The GPS will start booting up, and you should see the Navruf logo or a startup screen. Wait for the device to complete the booting process. 6. Once the device has booted up, you will be prompted to select your preferred language. Use the touch screen to navigate and select English or your desired language. 7. The GPS device will now display the main menu. From here, you can access various features such as navigation, settings, maps, and more. Use the touch screen to select and navigate through the menu options. 8. To set up the GPS for navigation, you will need to enter your destination address or select it from a list of saved locations. Follow the on-screen prompts to input the necessary information. 9. Once your destination is set, the Navruf GPS device will calculate the route and provide you with turn-by-turn directions. Follow the instructions on the screen and listen to any audio prompts if available. 10. Mount the Navruf GPS device securely on the car mount to ensure easy visibility and safe operation while driving. If you encounter any issues during the install Navruf, contact support for assistance. Link in description box.